Welcome to Latest Cars Info, your go-to place for the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're talking about a car that's rewriting the rules of performance sedans, the all-new 2026 BMW M5. BMW has taken a bold step forward with the 2026 M5 by introducing a plug-in hybrid system, and trust me, this is not your average eco-friendly setup. This beast combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor, producing an insane 717 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. That kind of power launches the M5 from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds. It's not just quick, it's a rocket disguised as a luxury sedan. The design is just as aggressive as the performance. BMW has given the 2026 M5 a wider stance, sharper lines, and an updated front grille that looks bold but refined. The quad exhaust setup, large air intakes, and sporty rear diffuser complete the powerful exterior look. It's clearly built for speed, but it doesn't forget its luxury DNA. Inside, the M5 offers a futuristic and tech-heavy cabin. The new curved digital display stretches from behind the steering wheel to the center of the dash, running BMW's latest xDrive 9. The seats are sporty, supportive, and finished in high-quality leather with illuminated M logos. Everything feels premium and performance-focused. What makes the 2026 M5 stand out is how it blends brutal power with daily usability. You can drive in full electric mode for about 40 miles, perfect for city cruising. And when you're ready to unleash the beast, the V8 roars to life, giving you that classic M driving thrill with a modern twist. With xDrive all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and advanced driving assists, the new M5 is more capable than ever. It's not just built for the track, it's also perfect for long drives, commutes, and everything in between. BMW has truly created something special here. The 2026 M5 is the perfect mix of power, tech, and innovation, and it might just be the best M5 ever made. Thanks for watching Latest Cars Info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the 2026 M5 in the comments below.